What's up guys, it's Yasin here. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is basically a day in my life, video during quarantine. So now a friend is waiting for me and I'm gonna take you with me during my morning workout. So yeah. So the thing that I like the most about starting my day with the morning workouts is that it helps me wake up, get rid of that morning laziness and be ready for the day. I started with a 10 minutes jogging and a 20 to 30 minutes of push-ups, squats and crunches. I prefer to work out with a partner as it helps me to stay motivated and have fun at the same time. What's up guys, so we just done the morning workout. It makes you feel so good, honestly. So yeah, now I'm heading to my room to have a shower and get ready for class. See you in a moment. What's up guys, I'm heading now to the LC foyer where I'm gonna have my first class. That's in 30 minutes. So yeah, I prefer to have my classes in the LC foyer than having it in my room. It's just that there's less distraction and stuff, so yeah. So let me show you the place. One question that I get asked often is how can I be more productive during online classes? First, be outside of your room in a place where you're going to reach a perfect mental state for you to work, a place where you're not going to feel sleepy and prone to distraction. Then during the actual classes, even though you're not able to get the physical and face-to-face interaction with the teacher, Zoom does a really great job at allowing you to have a real-time feedback on the lesson. One tip that applies across the board when it comes to learning is to be able to practice. Being able to make time to assess your own learning is going to increase your ability to thrive during online classes. So now in a few moments I will be meeting with some friends from our last video and we will be talking about something quite interesting, so stay tuned. Hi guys, so yeah, we're gathering again to talk about how Ramadan is different for each one of us. Like personally being away from home for the first time, and yeah, so basically we'll just talk about it. Rowan, how different is Ramadan from like fasting home and stuff?
Something I really like about South Africa is that we don't fast much, because back home they fast a lot. Plus here it's kind of warm because we're going to the winter. I know it's a bit weird because here the winter is in June.
Warm
so yeah,
or
if you're in the
cold?
northern hemisphere, you'll think this is weird, and it's weird, but you gotta get used to it. And yeah, everybody's eating because you're a minority, and you're just looking at them like, oh, hope you're liking this whipped cream that you're eating. And yeah.
So as Rowan said, it's actually a lot easier here to fast because the day is like 10 times shorter. Yeah, it's a lot. The day is a lot shorter, so it's a lot easier. Plus, it's not hot, so you don't. I mean, kind of.
Yeah. It's not.
So yeah, you're not thirsty or anything. The only thing that I'm missing here is the like family gathering aspect of Ramadan, where like here I eat my iftar alone in my room. Whereas back home, I would, back home I'm with family and stuff. But then again, there's like the Muslim community here, and we try to gather and create a show. Yeah.
No, like, but we gather each night.
You gather.
At least like for Tunisians.
Same.
Tunisians are like express a sense of solidarity together here. Only during iftar. So as Rawan and Safa said, the most the good thing is that we fast. We don't fast too much. The food is good, but the quantity is not. And yeah, that we're trying to recreate the Ramadan mood. Like we're doing, as I said, iftar together, and like we're trying to mimic Taraweeh, though it's not very successful. Yeah, and like basically that's it.
Do you have azaim?
What do you
Azuma.
mean?
What's that?
Snaya.
Like a gathering?
Yeah, we do.
Of
What do you
course.
call it?
For what? A gathering for what?
Like people eating.
عرضة.
عرضاً?
ايش تقول صدق؟
Zarda.
I feel like the thing that we're missing the most here is the thing that you just said. Because I don't know, but back home, I feel like a big table. The entire family is sitting and they're like, so it's not that everyone has a plate, it's just like major plates that have different things, and you know, all the hands are doing like this. But even if we try to mimic this here, we all have the same meal, so it doesn't make any sense.
you
Like,
take
yeah,
rice and
like,
you give him rice.
I will give you my sambusa and you will give me your sambusa. Like, what are we doing?
Yeah, but like
You won't be able to
I also
do
miss going out with the friends. Like, don't you go out with the friends after
Oh,
iftar?
yeah, that's
Yeah,
true.
coming back at
Okay guys, for me, something that I miss the most about Ramadan back home is food. Definitely food. Because like I'm used to drink a lot of juice in iftar, juice. And they give us like okay, let's just say it's only food, and keep it general. So something else. 3 hours.
You see, I remember when you filled the list and you wrote smoothies and then they gave you apple juice.
So yeah, oh my god, there was this thing like they sent us a Google sheet or something, and they asked us to fill it like with food that we would like to eat during iftar. And then I was like smoothies. People were like, what did people write?
I don't know. I wrote
Yeah.
harira, shorba.
Yeah, like people are writing.
Did
Then
you
you
guys
find
really
apple
think they would
juice,
give you harira? Who
rice,
would cook
chicken.
harira here?
But yeah, it's fine.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
Actually, I've been enjoying the food personally.
No.
I think
Only
I'm
yesterday.
hungry.
Yeah,
Yesterday was so
good.
Really good,
No,
yeah.
like, this does not match kusksi, nwasar, kafteji, some other Tunisian foods.
You gotta
These
be
in the
grateful,
comments,
okay?
can you
Like in
write?
those circumstances.
Okay guys,
Class.
we have class.
Yes.
Mm.
Mm.
Don't forget to tell us about your own experience of fasting away from home below in the comments. So right now I'll be meeting with 3 special friends in this beautiful room, and you will know why in a few moments. So hi guys, I'm here with Chiasa, Jabashi, and Akin. So yeah, we're gonna ask them a question. Why did they decide to try fasting, and how was it? So who would like to start?
Great. Do I still need to say my name again, or I just go straight to it?
Introduce yourself.
Okay. I'm from Nigeria. My name is Jabachi Namdi Obafemi Nwogu. Why did I try fasting? I'll say the main reason I tried fasting was just to get closer to God spiritually, to uplift myself spiritually. Besides that, it's to support in a cliche way, my brothers and sisters, because I believe that like, as much as I could try fasting on my own, at this time, Ramadan to be specific, me fasting can support somebody else, and them fasting can support me as well, as a support group. Yeah. Who wants to go next?
I can go.
Okay.
Introduce myself again. Alright, so hi, my name is Akin Folami Akianamu. I'm also from Nigeria. I think what actually made me start fasting was my 2 closest friends on campus are Muslims, right? So,
Who are they?
Ali Ajagbe and Damola Ugunlowa. Right, so before Ramadan started, we are always discussing Ramadan, how it is at home and how it is here, you know. And I just felt like, why don't I just join them, you know? And I think since I started, it's been great. I'm not a Muslim, and the reception I've had is actually very, I really like it. Like when you go for suhoor, iftar, like you're very welcome there, no matter your religion. I think it's an experience I want to relive again next year. Yeah, I think that's it.
My name is Tiasa Samayan Mutunke. I'm from Kenya. And the reason I decided to fast was, just like Akin said, like my best friend Sumeya, she's Muslim. And I wanted to support her, and like also just a few other members from the community, and getting to know, I think like through iftar and suhoor, I'm getting to hang out with people I didn't necessarily hang out with before, and getting to know who they are, as well as just strengthening my spirituality. So this is a time where I'm actually meditating, and I'm having a stronger connection with like my spirit and God, and it's been really amazing. And just looking for and practicing mind over matter. I think that's been the biggest thing, is like your stomach, your body wants you to eat, but you're telling yourself, no, it's fine. So that's why, just giving it a try, supporting people in the community, and being a part of it.
So how was it so far?
How was it?
Or your first day?
Oh, my first day was difficult. I'm not going to lie. I was just like, I told myself.
You did what?
So I had bought a box of cookies the day before, wow. And they were right there, and so I was like, I had to put them in someone else's room, and I was like, it's just your first day, it's your first try. Everybody else has been doing this for so many years, so you can eat. Temptation is a thing. But then I got through it, and when I got through it, I was like, that's like my mind over matter. My mind is so powerful, and I trained myself to like, you're not hungry. Yeah, you're hungry, but like you're going to eat. Just look forward to 5:50 p.m. And now I'm not even as hungry as I was before. I kind of trained my body and stuff. So yeah.
I'll say my very first day was interesting because it's the day that I decided to fast that the most temptation I've ever had decided to just appear out of nowhere. People within my hall, Kushinga, just started coming to my room with food. Like, as I'm trying to study, eating in front of my face. Because I told people that I was like going to fast and then they should support me. But then, I mean, it's still brotherhood. Yeah. Beyond that, like right now, I'll say that like what Tiasa said, mind over matter. I find it interesting how I don't have to eat breakfast, lunch, and I'm still okay. I mean, before I could get into the system, I did sleep through some classes, but I'm on top of my game now, so it's fine.
All right, thank you. Oh, well, I think for me, my first day was hard. Yeah, it was hard. But I think the experience was, very many times I don't eat breakfast or lunch because I don't want to go to the dining hall. But I never miss afternoon snack, right? So from 3, I'm good and I'm ready. But this time around, it was afternoon snack and I couldn't go out, and I was just like there, like, oh, I have to wait till 5. And my roommate is also fasting, right? So I guess it was kind of easy because like there was someone I could make fun of and still be fine. Like, yeah, we're both hungry, But I think after that day, I got a hang of it. It has been easy since the first day. Yeah.
Thank you. I think, like, personally, this also helps us like be more passionate about people, like homeless people, for example, people who can't find what to eat during the day. So like you literally feel how do they feel, like basically if they're not eating right. So yeah, I think that's a really good thing to always like think of helping others and stuff. Yeah, other than that, something that I like about fasting is that it saves me a lot of time, like a lot of free time to do stuff. People are like eating lunch and you can do something during that 1 hour. Either sleep or like, I don't know,
That's so
something.
true.
Yeah.
Yeah, and just to add on what you just said, I think the thing is, like, the first day I was like, okay, to get through the day, let me just sleep. But then I thought about it, like, people who don't have food on their tables, they still go on with their day. Like, they still have things to do. They still work and everything. And I was like, just the privilege of that, the fact that I have, you know, a bed that I'm going to sleep on, just to get through the day because I'm hungry, or distract myself. And just thinking about that, like, I've had so much time to reflect. And because now also picking up on the fact that you spend so much time planning on eating, like walking to the dining hall, like standing in line, actually eating. That's like an hour and a half gone. And using that, like, now because I have mocks, like, studying with all that time. So it's just crazy. Perspective. Yeah.
It's really nice. Any last comments?
Definitely going to do this again next year. No?
Okay.
Thank you for coming to our channel. Add me.
So thank you guys so much for having this discussion. Basically, it was really, really interesting. And something that I learned actually when I was talking about with Wanjiru and who else, Joshua, is that also Christians like are fasting, but like in different ways, like fasting from technology, like fasting from sleep and stuff like this. I felt like this, I didn't know that thing before. Like it was really, really interesting.
I don't know what word to call this, but like another thing, like the benefits of, at least as a Christian, to fast within this period is a chance for you to expose yourself to another, let's say, culture. Yeah, for me, I love it when Suleiman acts as the imam and he does the call to prayer. I saw you the other day. Like it's such a beautiful sight, honestly, when Suleiman does the call to prayer and then everyone goes down and they do the recitations. Yeah. Sure.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Once again, this is Chiasa. Her Instagram is gonna show up somewhere here. Yeah. Jabachi, also, and Akin. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah. Hi guys, so basically now I have 5 minutes until iftar time where I get to eat since I was fasting the whole day. I just wanted to thank all of you for all the support and love that you have shown in my last video. It really meant a lot for us. Also, don't forget to comment the type of videos that you would like to see in my channel. So yeah, drop a like if you like the video, drop a dislike if you didn't like it. Follow me on Instagram, which is gonna show up somewhere here. Yeah, take care.